Welcome to the XGRIDS LCC Scanning Guide. This series will teach you effective scanning techniques to capture high-quality model data. For indoor scanning, ensure bright and even lighting. For outdoor scanning, avoid direct sunlight to prevent lens flare. If lighting conditions are poor, scan more slowly and capture additional angles. Before starting the scan, update your device firmware to the latest version. Clean the device lens thoroughly for clear results. Plan effective scanning loops to cover the target area. A loop refers to returning to previously scanned positions during the scan. Keep the camera orientation consistent. When possible, create a loop connecting your start and end points. If the area is large, has many obstructions, or is structurally complex, create at least one loop during your scan. Use a serpentine path to increase perspective overlap. For complex scenes, try multiple scanning routes for complete coverage. Hold the scanner at different heights to capture perspectives from different angles. Avoid areas with movement, outdoor screens, trees and wind, traffic, or crowds. Avoid having someone follow closely behind you while scanning. During scanning, prevent your body from blocking the device lenses. Adjust the camera angle to avoid blind spots. For corridors, narrow spaces, or doorways, scan sideways with one lens facing forward to capture the visual data ahead. When using the Lixel K1 scanner, tilt the device slightly downward by 15 to 20 degrees to capture ground data in front of you. While covering the entire scene, ensure key objects receive sufficient image data coverage. For pipelines, capture from multiple positions. For ceiling pipes, point camera directly upward. For text details, position lens close to text and move slowly in an S pattern. Note that staying still for long periods does not improve results. Maintain steady movement. Avoid quick rotations, shaking, or sudden acceleration. Generally, we don't recommend going faster than 1 meter per second. In indoor areas, corridors, dim lighting, doorways, and corners, slow down to maximum 0.5 meters per second. Steady movement with complete, continuous perspective coverage produces the best results.